How to quickly unlock temporarily locked Snapchat account. So if you want to unlock the temporarily locked Snapchat account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And now under your Chrome browser, you need to search for my account or my Snapchat account is locked. Once you've searched here, you will have my account is locked on the first. You need to simply click on that link, and then if you scroll down here, you may have this kind of interface. So tap on the cross, and then here you need to go for the second option, which is my account was temporarily locked. And here you will have this kind of interface where you need to simply tap on here, and then you need to log into your account and you need to select unlock. So if your account is really locked, then by tapping on that here, and it will take you to an interface where you need to log into your account. And once you've logged in, you will have this kind of interface. And if your account is really locked, then you will have an option of unlock. Simply tap on unlock and your account will be unlocked. So that's how you can unlock. But if your account, or if you don't have an interface which says unlock, then what you can do is simply go for the upper left, which has that 3 bat icon, and then go for support. And under your support, you can simply go for my account is compromised, and then you can submit a request. So you can simply scroll down, and here you will have this kind of interface where you need to enter your username, your email address, the mobile number, and in the description you need to write that I think my account has been temporarily locked and I'm not being able to use my Snapchat account and everything. And once you've written all of that, tap on submit and submit your report, and once you've submitted, your problem will be solved. So that's how you can quickly unlock your temporarily locked Snapchat account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.